I got my new Sony camera. Ta-da! So this is the model. So now we're gonna open it. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Whoa. So they have this contest. Oh, this one is very interesting for me because I want to have nicer lens. These are the manuals, the warranty card. I'm excited. Almost there. Okay, so this is the power cord. Wow. Wow, they have the international cords. This is awesome. Very nice, Sony. This one, oh, this is for the, you know, the puffy thing that you put so that to filter the background noises. Okay, these are the other cords. And then I think this is the battery. I think this is the battery. Yeah, the battery is so cute. Because it's a cute camera. Oh, I thought it's another battery. This is for connector, the USB, and then this one. So you can connect it to your laptop. Oh, they have USB-C and then USB. And the camera strap. And this is it. The camera. Awesome. Oh my God. So we got the black color. Oh my God. It's so portable. Yeah, I think the size and yeah, I'm excited to use this, but first I need to charge it first. So see, so it has a digital screen and I'm really excited.